Okay, we have finished to set up the React Native environment. Now we move into build React Native project. First of all, we open Terminator. So just go to where you want to put your project and try React Native Init and your project name. So here I say pre-work calculator. So basically, I will just stop my screen to record. Just save our time because it takes around 5 minutes for initial project. So when it's finished, they will show you how to run on iOS or how to run on Android. So we just go to the folder we have just created. And we follow the instruction here like React Native run Android. So basically we just and see how it build the Android application. And another terminal appear. So you can see here, this is a node server. So basically the node server will use it for transform data from React Native to emulator. So basically when they load, really load, so you don't need to use this terminal anymore. But do not turn it off, because when you turn it off, you will destroy the bridge between React Native and emulator. So basically just keep it and try to minimize. And then we have finished to build the React Native for Android. And now we are open the Atom to import the folder to the idea. Okay, here is the folder I had just created. So I open and I go through index.android.ios. Okay, here our file. So I will try to make it change a bit. Say hello, out from Corderschool, and I press save. I go here and I type command M to open the React Native menu and press reload. And wait a second. And you see another line. Hello, I'm back from Corderschool. Okay, let me remove something. Not easy to see. And here I introduce you about React Native menu by press Control Command M. Reload. This means like when you change on the JavaScript file, and it's automatic update on emulator without rebuild again. You can see it just takes 1 second to update my text, and this is reload. And debug will be it's same with like inspect in HTML when you want to debug JavaScript file. I will show you how to debug. And enable leave reload, like every time you change, the emulator will trigger event and they will reload for you. So basically it will save time. For example, I will enable this reload by select this, and here I type haha check me. I press save, and sometimes it take a bit. Yeah, let's see, I don't touch anything, and they say haha check me. I copy another text, I press save, and it's fetching. See, they open, they copy and update my gen. Okay, basically we have just some basic about React Native. Now I walk through for you some kind of error happen when you develop with React Native. For example, okay, I will remove first. For example, I want to add an input text field, text input, and I press save. And they say, can find variable text input in file index.answer.js at line 23. So I click here, I open this file. The reason is text input is kind of component of React Native. So when we use a new component, you have to tell to React Native, okay, I want to this component. So just copy in this file, in the top. Remember, just copy in React Native and press save. That's it. See, because we don't put any style, so it's small. Yep. Done. And another red line. Okay, we can tag new, press save, and another text happen. But if we forget to input closing tag, you see an error happen. They will tell like expected correspond JSX closing tag for test at 27 at 5. So basically they will tell the latest tag that error. So you have to find the next. This means here. So you just put the closing tag and save and done.